In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve FPS and reduce lag in Marvel Rivals. It's very easy, but try not to skip any steps. Okay, the first thing you want to do is start Marvel Rivals. And once you're in the game, there are a couple of different things that you need to change. So click on the cog, go to settings, and then go to the display tab. Then from here, you want to set the display mode to full screen. And then you want to switch anti-aliasing and super resolution. So anti-aliasing, if you're at NVIDIA, switch it to NVIDIA DLSS. If you're on AMD, switch it to FSR. If you're on neither or integrated graphics card, I would recommend switching it to TAAU. Now, for super resolution mode, you want this on quality. Frame generation mode, you want this off. Low latency mode, you want this on NVIDIA if you're on an NVIDIA card. If not, you want this to be off. You want limit FPS to be disabled. You want VSync to be off. And under the graphics settings here, you want to set global illumination to SSGI, low quality. You want the reflection quality to be screen space reflections. You want post-processing to be set to low. You want shadow detail to be set to low. You want texture detail to be set to high. Effects detail and foliage, you want these both set to low. And that is it. Apply the changes, and next we'll be messing with some options in Windows. Okay, when you're back in Windows, you want to disable some startup apps. So open the start menu, search for settings, go to apps, and go to a startup. Now you want to basically disable everything that is not necessary for you to be running this game. And then after you've done that, go to settings, system, display, go to graphics, and then find Marvel Rivals, and then click on options, and then click on high performance if it's not already on high performance mode. Then after you've done that, go to gaming, go to game bar, and disable this game bar here, and then go to game mode and press game mode on. And that is it. These should increase the FPS in Marvel Rivals.